You searched how to buy shares of New Concept Energy Inc. New Concept Energy Inc. is an energy company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GBR, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds so you can place purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GBR to find the company. Confirm you select New Concept Energy Inc. from the results to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movements. Make sure the company name and ticker GBR match before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details, including fees and order type, before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may become pending when it opens, and if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the link in the description to visit eToro for more information.